answer. Here, where do you first meet a teacher? At the supermarket? No. In the classroom. It's a correct answer. Take the correct mark on this answer. Okay, children. Next, come to apart from the teaching subjects, a teacher also teaches you about talking back to your elders? No. Winning against others? No. Values and kindness. It is the correct answer. Values and the kindness. Take the correct mark on the values and the kindness. C. Come to third one. Which of the following is part of the pilot's duties? Pilot duties. Planning your holidays for you? No. Flying and navigating a plane? Yes, children, it's a correct answer. Flying and navigating a plane. Checking the passenger's ticket? No, it is not. Then B main is there. Answer the following question in brief. Here some questions given. I'll send you photocopy. You write in your classwork neatly. Okay, come to here. Match the word to the ones that are opposite in meaning. Here some A main is given, B main is given. We have to match the opposite word here. Full, empty. High, low. Above, below. Exit, entrance. Tall, short. Alive, bored. Okay, children? That much. Here some grammar part is there. Adjective. What? Adjective. What does mean by adjective? Adjectives. What is mean by adjectives? Adjectives means add some word. Especially if you add some word means ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲೇ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ರೆಡ್ ರೋಸ್. Everyone knows rose will be red, but we added here red rose. Red is the adjectives. A large tank, large. We added here large na. A round garden, three girls. Like this only we added here. Here see here, a beautiful woman started at the clothes that were displayed in the shop. Here is the beautiful added na. Here we mention is the beautiful. Underline the beautiful. Then come to second one. His mother told him to clean up his dirty room. Dirty, we added dirty. We know na, dirty means yes, clean opposite dirty. So it's a word we added. Then Karin loved visiting the sandy beach. Sandy, we added sandy. ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು adjectives anta ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. We call them adjective words. We added some word that with a link. Then we have mentioned that it is like that only. So for that words we call adjectives. Here B main is given. Fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives from the ones given below. The dash car full of children drive past the house. Which one? Red car will simple, excited. No, red car will tell color of the car na. So red. The boys and girls looked longingly at the dash playground. Here yellow playground is there. No. Classroom playground also there. Empty playground. There were many birds in the dash sky. Here you low sky or added high sky. Low sky you add. Okay, children? Okay? That much. I'll send you photocopy question answer. You write down in your